free. Ayan, ito na kuya. And po sa ating mga kids, ayan, yung Mingaw store, hindi po. Ayan, again, the parents, ayan, open na po. And for the adults, ayan, actually, hinihintay na lang yung lechon. But if you see one we need first, ayan, while waiting with our lechon, yung Mingaw proceed sa muna natin ang ating kids sa pagkain. Yes, kuya. Yes.
Okay, kids. Balik kayo sa table. Kaya ilalagay na natin. Sige, everybody sing happy birthday mo. Ready, sing!
Last! Happy birthday! Sabay-sabay tayo. Happy birthday! Tayo sa kanya. Yan. Okay, yan.
Naunsa ni? Sis, wa pa kay pamahaw pa ni Udto. Kaluoy sa akong igsuon, oy. Gigutom gyud siya.
You think I'm tacky, baby? Stop talking dirty to me. It sounded nasty, but it feels like you're flirting with me. I mind my business, God's my witness that
Waited so long, break these walls down to wake up and feel like me. Honey, your honey's voice is sounding right above me. We're going up, pop, it's our moment. Give it the moment. Nothing moment. Oh, I'm pop, and our voices. Give it the moment. Nothing moment. Oh, I'm hiding. I'm shining like a firelight. Oh, I know you like this. Oh, me. When we go in, I love you.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
no one compares. You stand alone to every record I own. Music's on my heart, that's what you are. A song that goes on and on. I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. And I keep hitting repeat, repeat, repeat. I love you like a love song, baby.
Ay napay nabilin kay Yega. Nay nabilin dali lang. Basta naman to. Tapuyon ako kay murag nahubog ko gamay. Parts, asa si Parts? Parts. Si Parts pang sunggod gid na siya sa kuha ba. Dali lang.
Sana all nakawan. Sana all nakawan ka. Nalipon ko. Baby, ano sa gadi? Shit, abumol ka. Wala na, nalipon ko. Ako nag-ambay, ako na.
Ayun, okay na yun.
We won't need it no more.
Now let us all welcome our candidate. As our candidates shine in their long gown. I know po, after their long gown, you will be witnessing them in their talent portions. And after that, we'll be proceeding with our Q&As. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome our candidate number 1 and her long gown. A round of applause, please.
Uy, long gown na!
Let's take our time.
Sip lang lahat, ma'am. Go, sip. Go, go.
Over all the
Tapos,
stars and ocean.
usok dito, ma'am. Tapos sip, usok.
Love is around happy in this world.
Sarap!
Hindi pa po tayo tapos dahil ngayon na po, let us enter into the elegance and sophistication. Ayan, lahat
I don't care what you say anymore. This is my life.
I can touch the sky. I know that I'm alive. When you're lost away, I'll just drift away. On my way to sky, I will learn that I'm alive. You set my heart on fire.
po sa likod. Ayan, yung mga gusto mag-request naman ng mga songs, ng mga favorite songs ninyo. Basta kaya ko itong kanta rin, pwede po yan.
Uy, nakibata-bata yan ha!
Natulog na.
O, banta
Our
na!
next song, something for Alicia Keys.
It's been a long night long. I've been everywhere, been looking for you there, looking for you there, searching for you there. Where have you been?
Now, on stage, let us all welcome candidate number 2, Edward Switzer Qatar. Candidate number 2 is wearing a matching suit together with her Salvadina.
You gotta make me freeze. Reasons that you gotta. We say love me, you put me Chanel. We say love.
I'm Georgina Ipareño from the land of Gerger, Triple Gerhana! At naniniwala sa kasabihan, mga tumboy walay tumoy, pero gusto mo tatay!
And once again, a happy birthday to our sovereign baby, Elizabeth Harmon. Ayan, okay, up na muna, up. Ayan now, change age bracket tayo.
Flaming ang tawag dito, flaming. Yan.
Ayan. Okay, tapos naman po yung mga baby, ano? Ayan, tapos na po yung mga baby. Sige, alis na po tayo. Ayun, yung mga 5 years old kasama yung parents. Alis na po tayo kasi yung ano na natin, yung 6 and above na po. Without parents. Again, yung 6 and above, without parents daw po. 6 and above, walang parents na kasama. No parents po, ayan. Since malalaki naman din sila eh, kaya rin nila yan. Again, okay, no parents allowed. Sige, ready? In 3, 2, 1, baba! Oh, Edson! Oh, careful yan. Talagang walang masisiko. Walang mababangga. Careful po tayo. Alright! Ayan, once again, congratulations. Ayan, and now proceed na po kayo dito, kids, sa harapan. Ayan, let's now proceed with the distribution of the loot bags. Again, kids, ayan, bilis-bilis tayo, kids, because we still have our adult Christmas party. So again, kids, if you want to have loot bags, if you want to receive loot bags, proceed here in front. Again, to all the kids, if you want to get prizes proceed here in front. Ayan. Again, to all the kids, punta na po kayo dito. We still have another program later on. Kaya naman, medyo double time po tayo. Thank you.
Namula! Namula! Nagbilang sa kamay! Satisfied! Uy, asay mo video! Satisfying!
Ayan, sa lahat ng kids na wala pa pong loot bags, ayan, proceed na po kayo dito sa harapan to get. Ayan, sige yung lahat.
Toast best
Yes,
friends!
yes, na yes, of course. Ayan, thank you so much. And with that, our celebrant wants us more to be happy.
Alright, thank you so much. Grabe. Alright, another song for...